Klaiyi hair really knows what they're doing with this Yaki straight texture with the brown chestnut color. This is so gorgeous, so make sure to keep watching. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. So in today's video, we are getting into another unit from Klaiyi hair, and I don't really remember what this one is. Let me actually take a look so I can get you all the details. Let me just take it out of the bag. I really love when units come in this like little carry bag, but here is the box. Let's go ahead and open this up together. I have not seen this unit, so here is the unit. I'll show you this more in just a moment, but let's see everything else that came in the box. All right, so we have a little satin bag to help store our unit, an elastic band with the Velcro, a pack of HD wig caps, and this little box here. Let's open it up. Oh, wow. So we have some costume jewelry here. So this is necklace and earrings. Very pretty. All right, so I was able to find the specs of this unit. So this is Klaiyi's Ombre Chestnut Brown Yaki Straight Put On and Go Glueless 7x5 by knots unit, and it does have the Invisible drawstring in the back. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out. Let's see here, 24 inches. Okay, so I'm just going to take the netting as well as the paper off, and it did come with these by knots little lace strips. All right, so I have the netting and the paper out. And then let's just go ahead and look at the construction, and I'll provide you the rest of the specs. So the lace already comes pre-cut off. The knots are bleached, the hairline pre-plucked. Comes with a little bit of styling. I like how the hair is like smooth back in the front. Now this did not come curled or anything. Again, it's a Yaki straight, but look at this beautiful chestnut brown color. Love this. This color combination, like this balayage ombre color combination, has really been tickling my fancy lately. Like, I have a V-part unit with like this same color, and I absolutely love it. I love it so much. Okay, so as far as the construction, so here is the lace, 7x5 lace closure. We have the elastic band on the inside, which I really like how thin this is. No combs in the front of the unit. We do have one comb in the back. Also the silicone strip basically from ear to ear in the inside of the unit to help adhere to our head. And then we do have the drawstring right here in the back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and provide you the rest of the specs. We'll install, style this baby up, and yeah. All right, so we do have lengths from 10 inches all the way up to 24 inches. 24 inches is the longest length of this unit. So it does have the 7x5 HD glueless drawstring unit, non-slip cap, which I'm assuming that this is. So for 24 inches, you're looking at $255.13. Now, I do know that they are running a Black Friday special. So let me get you that promo code as well. Okay, so 25% off with the code BF25. So 25% off of that price, $255. I'm trying to look for the density on this unit. I'm not seeing a density. Now, it is human hair, but as far as the density, if I had to guess, I would say, oh, let me see. I would say 180%. I'd say 180% density on this one. But I'm gonna put it down in the description box as well so that you know for sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and just install at this point. So I just have on a nude wig cap. My hair is braided down underneath. Just some messy braids that I have had in my head for like 2 weeks now. I will be washing my hair today though. Also, it is Wicked Wednesday. Do I have any Wicked friends out there? Do I have any friends who like Wicked? I was just talking to my coworkers about it, and none of them have seen Wicked, and it kind of disappointed me and made me sad. But today we are going to see Wicked for good, so I am super excited about that. But let's go ahead and get into this install. All right, so I'm going to start by placing this elastic band around the back of my head, as so, and this is adjustable. Then I'm going to pull this unit down. I'm going to place this back comb in the back of my hair. I'm not going to worry about that drawstring right now because I do want to adjust the front of the unit first. And so I'm just going to pull it down where I need it to be. And immediately I love this. I love the fit of it so far. It's not too bulky, and I love that it has the drawstring there in the back. Now, as far as the ear tabs, we have C-shaped ear tabs, so it's fitting very comfortably around my ears. But now I'm going to turn around again so I can show you the drawstring. So it comes with this like little knob here on it. So all you're going to do is kind of keep that knob close to the nape of your hair and just pull on the drawstring. So it automatically just locks into place. Now with the end of the string, just go ahead and just tuck it under the side of the unit, right there in the back. So I love drawstring units because it adheres to any head shape and size. Love that. I'm going to adjust just a little bit more. Okay, so this is completely glueless right now, but I am going to spray it down just a little bit to kind of just get rid of the lace, or since it's laying pretty good, I may just be able to disguise it with some makeup. We'll see. All right, so I'm just gonna comb through this unit just a little bit, and the brush is just like gliding right through it. It feels so good. But I am gonna take a little bit of my Wet n Wild contouring powder, and just with a brush, I'm just going to brush right here on this lace just to see how it looks first before I apply any kind of spray or product. Okay, so right here in the middle it looks great, but I am going to have to spray it down. But I do want to show you what this looks like just completely glueless. So again, have not sprayed it down at all as of yet, but I am going to use some Sebastian Hair Shaper spray. This is a light holding spray, and I'm going to also use the elastic band with the Velcro. Okay, so I'm going to spray right here on the lace. Looks really good already. All right, so with this elastic band, I am going to connect it right here in the back with that Velcro. And I'm going to pull it up and let it rest right on top of that lace. I'm gonna pull that hair out of the way. Don't want the hair to be sticking down. So we're gonna leave this as is for right now. And then I'm going to flat iron this unit just so that we can see what it looks like just completely straight. Right now it's pretty straight. It just has the bend from just being in the box traveling to me. But as far as the length, so this is 24 inches, comes down to, I'm trying to scoot back to the bottom of my waist, but I probably am going to trim it down just a little bit because it's a little thin down here at the bottom. But let me turn around as well so you can see the back. So here is the back, and back comes down to like the top of my butt. So super duper lengthy. So let me go ahead and just flat iron this out using my Bio-Ionic flat iron. And then I'm going to come right back. We're going to remove the elastic band, put some makeup here in the parting space, and then maybe throw in some curls too. We'll see. All right, so here is the hair straightened out. Again, I'm going to scoot back so you can see the length. So very, very, very lengthy, but I love this texture. I'm going to give you all a close-up as well as the color. The color is absolutely gorgeous. Love this little like money piece right here in the front, face framing, and the texture is just gorgeous. low luster, very, very soft. I have not received any kind of shedding and no tangling whatsoever. But also I'm going to turn around so you can see the back as well. So here is the side and the back. So again, very lengthy all the way down to my butt. Other side and front. So let me go ahead and try to remove this elastic band and see what this lace is looking like right now. So it's been like maybe 5 minutes. Took no time at all to flat iron this hair. And I just used large sections. So, whoa. Where is the lace? Where is it? Okay, yeah, so this light holding spray really did the trick. I said that I was only gonna use makeup, but Sebastian came through. Yeah, that lace looks amazing. So I just threw in some curls with my Conair curling iron, and this will be linked down in the description box. I think it's only like $15–20, but it's my go-to when I curl my hair. So key thing is to curl away from your face. Basically separate your hair into 2 sides, curl away from your face or towards the back. And I just put in some very loose curls. So I'm just gonna finger comb those through as so. And so this unit can hold up to, what is it, 420 to 450 degrees. So yeah, it can stand some heat. So yeah, and again, I just did like a simple long face frame. I didn't put any kind of layers in it or anything. But here is what we are looking like with some curls. Very pretty. And again, a close-up at the hairline. I'm going to turn around so you can see the back with the curls. So this is the front. So it brings it up to like my waist. And here's the side. Here is the back. Flowy. And again, this unit is not going anywhere. We have that elastic band in the inside. We have the drawstring. We have the comb in the back. So even though we don't have any combs up here in the front, we do have that silicone strip in the inside that goes from basically ear to ear. This unit is very secure. Not going anywhere. So yeah, that is the review of this gorgeous chestnut brown highlighted unit, Yaki straight unit from Klaiyi Hair. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up, give you my final thoughts. So what do I think about this unit? Love the texture, love the color, love the density of this unit. So again, I'm not really sure the exact density. I'm thinking 180, but I'll put the exact amount down in the description box below. The length is gorgeous. So 24 inches, we only cut off maybe an inch or so. So still very lengthy. This is like the perfect fall color to me. It just screams Thanksgiving, and again, they are having a Thanksgiving Black Friday sale. So again, BF25 will get you 25% off of that price. This unit comes in lengths from 10 inches all the way up to 24 inches. So if you don't like length, they do have you covered with a shorter length, so you don't have to buy a long one and then just cut it short. So texture is bomb. It is soft, no shedding, no tangling. Again, the texture is a lower luster than a silky straight, so it's giving very much so natural. So this is a lace from, what is it, 7 inches and then 5 inches back. So if you did want to change this to like a left side part, then you would be able to do so. Let me straighten that out. Okay, so if you wanted to change it to a left side part, you could do so. If you wanted to do a right side part, you could do that as well. Or if you wanted to do like a small half up, half down look, you would be able to do that too. So lots of possibilities with this gorgeous unit. It's just so pretty. This is a pretty unit, and love how the lace just blended right in. We didn't have to cut off any lace. We didn't have to pluck. We didn't have to bleach. We didn't have to do any of that. So that concludes this video. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Check the description box. I'm going to put a link to Klaiyi Hair as well as this unit. And of course, that promo code BF25 gets you 25% off. But send a friend to view this video, and I will check you all next time.